your mind. What is your name? And your name? You can come out my mind. I got red marks?
No, I can't. I don't see it.
It all starts with a simple ask. The officer tries to handle the situation quietly.
Bring your cart, come back inside the store. Bring your cart, bring your cart, come back inside the store. I don't want to embarrass you in the parking lot.
You're not going to embarrass me.
Bring your cart, come back inside the store, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Bring your cart inside the store, please.
I'm coming inside the store.
Now.
I am coming out. Because I don't know what you're looking for. What are you looking for? After I done spent all of that.
Let me go back to this door right here.
See?
Ma'am, push the cart inside the store.
I'm putting my cart inside the store before I snap. Oh, wow.
And keep walking back in towards the cash registers.
Okay. And what do you want to do? Stack 100 on my food. What do y'all want?
We're gonna make a right here. We're gonna walk down to the other side of the store. You want to stop here?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and pull your cart up over here for me.
I just did that and I just talked to the lady.
Ma'am, listen.
Thank you.
Listen,
She just
listen.
said I did.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, so what are y'all talking about? What
Okay.
What is it? Because it's two trains.
Do you have an ID on you?
No. But I can tell
Okay,
you my name.
so let's stop right now, okay? I'm stopping you for shoplifting. If you want to leave out of here, you're going to change your attitude. Stop. If you want to leave out of here, you're going to change your attitude.
Okay.
If not, I'll just take you to the county because I really don't care.
I don't go to jail.
You don't? Because you can't
What I'm telling
today.
you is I don't go to jail. I don't have a record. But what I'm
Right, but what I'm telling you
is
is today
What
you
did
can
I
make your way
shoplift?
to the county.
what did I make?
Number
what did
one
I
is this
shoplift?
purse and also the clothes in this cart that you bagged up at the register. So let's change the tone. Okay?
Let me tell y'all something. I scanned my pennies. And there's an employee here that seen it. If you think I shoplifted my pennies, they're $3. I done set up there and front all of it. That's why exactly I don't come here. Do not come to this Walmart because y'all be on. If that's the case, you could have easily said.
Okay, first of all, stop. Stop all that. Back
Back
away from the cart, ma'am. Back away from the cart.
I'm backing away, giving you.
Where is your
what you
receipt at?
want. My receipt is right here.
Okay, give me your receipt.
Because I have 2 transactions.
Okay, excellent. There's that, Miss Daisy.
Okay.
This purse does not belong to you. This purse belongs to the store. I watched you take this off the shelf and tear the tags off. These do not belong to you. This does not belong to you. I watched you put this inside the purse. Please don't grab any of the stolen merchandise. Please don't grab anything out of the purse, okay?
Okay, go ahead.
She's not backing down. Her tone rises. Her stance stiffens. Every second pushes her closer.
Ma'am, leave everything in the car and walk this way.
$300 for
That's
all
fine.
my stuff.
Walk this way.
Please don't be aggressive.
Walk this way.
Please don't be aggressive.
Pay attention to what I'm telling you then.
I am paying attention to what
Please
you're
walk
telling
this
me.
way.
That's frustrating. You talking about what you saw, what you watched. Okay, you got what you wanted. Let it go. Because everything else I paid for.
The black guy that went into the bathroom, he's with them. There's 2 other women. Go this way, please. Make a right towards those doors.
Never.
Been called? Excellent.
No, not been called. You being sarcastic.
Yes, I am. Glad you picked up on it. Step inside. You're gonna have a seat over here on this bench. Step inside, have a seat on the bench. Step inside, have a seat on the bench. I'm only gonna tell you one more time. Step inside, have a seat on the bench.
I'm gonna step inside and you gonna let me out. I'm gonna step inside. She got what she wanted. If that's the case, here go my food stamp card.
I have your wallet.
Okay, can I have my wallet?
No, you cannot.
Okay, you can keep that. I'll get something on it. Because what I want to
Excuse
do,
me.
don't bump me, ma'am, because I didn't
told
do nothing.
you
I didn't do nothing
to stop and have a seat.
Okay, I am
Stop,
gonna have
or
a
stop,
Why
or
are
I'm
you
gonna
being
take you to the
aggressive?
ground.
Because you're
Stop,
hurting
or
my
I'm gonna take you to the ground.
Sir, first of all, sir, I'm a licensed medical
Stop,
assistant.
I'm gonna take you to the ground.
My pinky that's
I'm telling you
broken.
right now, if you do not stop tensing up, I'm gonna take you to the ground.
I'll go sit down.
No. Now you're gonna get put in cuffs.
For what?
Stop tensing up, I'm gonna take you to the ground. Turn around. Turn around.
This is something. You do not have to put me in cuffs. I will comply and go sit my
Turn
ass down.
around now.
And bump me again like that. And I'm trying to get,
I told you to stop.
What the is you doing that for? You sitting up here. No, you're not. You're not.
Turn over.
You're not
Turn
gonna
over
do
now.
that. You're not gonna sit up here and put me on my face and I'm a woman. You break something.
On the ground now. On the ground now.
What did you talk?
On the ground now.
You just made me
On the ground now.
That got my arm like that.
On the ground now.
Oh my God.
On the ground now.
Ooh. Call my motherfucking lawyer. Call my dad. Call my dad. I did not try to break no receipt. Get off me and I cannot breathe.
You'll be able to in just a
Get
second.
your chest off me now.
Give me your other arm.
I'm gonna give you my other arm when you want something. Sir, get off me now. You don't lost your mind. What is your name? And you
My
don't
name's
make no flipper come out my mouth. I got red marks.
No, I can't. I don't see it. Your shirt over.
Okay.
Your shirt over.
And then my shirt is my jacket because he slammed me in my face. That's why he made my flipper come out. Because I'm over him. Straight up.
What kind of medication?
I don't take no medication. What do you mean?
You're not diagnosed with anything?
No. Do I look like I'm diagnosed with anything because I'm a black woman?
No. Your brother or your sister's out there?
She is, and she's very pissed
They
off.
said that you're diagnosed with some kind of forgetfulness or something like that.
What do you mean? I have anxiety.
Okay, I don't know. I'm just kind of repeating.
I'm hyperventilating right now.
Okay.
You are?
You don't do no labels like that. I'm not one of them ghetto. I'm very classy and intelligent. Don't play with me. Sarcastic. Oh yeah, I'm being sarcastic. I hope your wife like it.
I don't like women.
Yeah, I bet you don't. It shows.
I love my mother and my great grandmother.
I bet you do. That's the only love you're gonna get. I can tell you that right now. She don't have a problem, and just in case, pay for the purse. Why is it a big problem? You're talking about something that's under $25. You're not even trying to help. You're talking about you coming in here to fix the problem to get it resolved. And then you're talking about I'm resisting arrest. How the f I'm gonna resist arrest when you slap me on my face? Man, call the EMT. Call the EMT.
Take a seat, man.
Call the EMT now before I buck out this door and I give y'all a real reason to arrest me.
You're not gonna do that, man.
I swear to God I am on my dad's mama.
What's your
And my mama's death anniversary is on the mother 21st. I'm not playing with y'all. It's Saturday.
Call the medics. Let your medical.
No, I gotta go to work tomorrow. Are you not listening?
You say you want the medics. I have to tell them what your complaint is.
My complaint is what you did. Tell them what you did. You know what the you did. Don't talk to me. Can I go to the bathroom?
Give me a second. There's another officer coming back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come back and I'm gone.
Well, they'll be able to walk you to the bathroom, okay?
They can walk me to the bathroom and I'm just gonna run.
Well, then we're not going to be able to take you to the bathroom
You
then.
don't have to chase me.
No, I'm saying we're not going to be able to take you to the bathroom.
She pleads for the bathroom, but officers suspect the setup. Is this discomfort or distraction? By now, trust is...
The couple items I had.
Okay, well, this shows that you did not scan $326.75 worth of items before tax. That's what this shows. That's what this is. They went through your cart and they compared the items that were scanned in the cart with the receipt you gave, and then anything that wasn't scanned and paid for.
I did not scan. We had two carts. Did they go into the cart that already left?
No. They took.
Listen. That's common sense.
Okay, but listen, ma'am. They took the cart that you had.
The cart that I had.
You had the receipt for your cart, and the lady gave you the receipt along with your food stamp card for the cart she had, correct?
Did you get the receipt from my sister?
We took your receipt. Your receipt, ma'am.
We're both in here shopping together.
But Miss, your receipt was for your shopping cart.
Okay, can I just go to the bathroom?
When the other officer gets here, we will make arrangements to take you to the bathroom.
How? I have to go now.
Okay, well you have to wait, ma'am.
I can't wait.
Okay, and you're gonna have to wait.
I have a bladder problem.
I understand that.
I have a bladder problem.
Please have a seat, Miss.
Shoot me,
Miss.
Do
Please
something.
have a seat.
I have to pee now.
Okay, well Miss, please have a seat.
Because I'm already pissed off about what you just putting in there.
Okay.
I'm trying to get
Miss,
out. I
again,
have 2 jobs.
please have a seat.
And I asked you
Okay.
the same thing.
Miss,
You snapped me on my I said,
we are
you know
going,
what? I
Miss,
went down.
we are going back to what we went through initially. I'm asking you to have a seat. Please have a seat.
You're doing it now because you have him in here. You just
No.
body snapped me in front of the lady.
Again, I'm asking you to please have a seat.
How can I have a seat when I got a pee? You want me to?
I want you to please have a seat while I do my paperwork.
Okay, so how about this? I'll pee over here in the trash because I can't pee. You're gonna make it come out.
Again, please have a seat.
You're gonna make it come
Okay,
out,
hold
and I
it
gotta
until
go.
the other
How
officer
can I
gets
hold
here.
it? I didn't make a phone call.
You can make one, but you have to do that once you get to the jail. We have to be able to get there quickly.
I don't want to go to jail. I tell him that.
Okay.
He just put a charge on me saying I resisted arrest.
Okay.
How can you resist arrest?
All right, come on.
How? I don't need to go my hands up. He can let me go. And because you guys didn't take that other
Stand over there in the corner.
I already washed my hands.
Stand over there in the corner. That's not a place to wash your hands.
For what?
Put your hands together like you're praying.
No, you can put my hands in front because I'm not putting my hands in
They have to
front.
go to your back now.
They have
For
to go in your
what?
back.
Okay, you see how he's been aggressive? Look at that, just relax my arm. I can relax it for him. This one right here. Whatever y'all want to say, I'm not going down. I will run.
Hey,
I got
don't
you.
do that. Come on,
I'm
don't
not
do
doing
this. Don't.
any,
No,
I'm
yes,
not
you know
even
exactly.
touching anything.
You know what you're doing.
What am I doing?
You are making the situation so much more difficult.
How am I making it difficult when I'm not even touching
you're
anything?
standing 2
I'm
inches in
holding
front
my
of me.
stuff.
And you are trying to slip the cuffs.
How am I trying to slip the cup? I'm holding my hand. You're making it tighter than what it has to be.
And stop trying to slip the cuffs.
How can I slip the cup when I have a small wrist, sir? That doesn't make any sense. You already have it tight. Call the ambulance now. I'm not leaving with you until I see the ambulance. Did you grab my...
Go ahead.
Did you grab my stuff?
Yes, I have it.
Okay, go put me in the...
At this point, she threatens to run, demands EMTs, and lashes out in every direction. Officers stay calm, but the chaos keeps boiling.
Get my slipper from by the door.
So then you gotta say something, but you have to stop moving around.
I want to go home. I'm not going to no hospital and no jail. I'm going to the hospital, call my brother, and if you do not comply, I'm not going in the car with you. Those are my rights. If you can't call EMT to come
Right,
check
right.
me out,
Yeah.
come see me, then I'm not leaving with you. Is EMT coming? Where's the EMT at? Okay, we're at in the parking lot.
I'll be
Where
back.
at? So I can go and show them this, and I can show them that my knee.
You want to go out this door or I can open this one up. Oh, I can open this one.
Where my knee is and where my brother is at. Where everybody, you can come through. I'm skinny. You can come through, and I'm gonna let them know that I am. Where they at? Where's the EMT, sir?
They're in the other corner of the parking lot. You have to be patient.
What other corner? I don't even see no car. No, I'm not getting into no car with you. I'm not getting into no car with you. I'm not. No. Call my brother now, please. Call my brother now. Call my brother now, please, because you didn't
Watch
even
your
call.
head. Watch
You
your
did
head.
not even call EMT. You did not even call EMT. I don't want to get in here. I don't want to get in here. Fucking what?
Stop.
What?
Listen.
For what? what? No, don't put no on me. Don't put nothing on me, and y'all hurting my hand. Stop grabbing on me.
Stop.
Man, get your hand off my neck. You better get my hand off my neck. Stupid.
You want to hobble or no?
They warn her. One more move and she'd be hobbled. The situation is near its breaking point, and yet,
No.
I'm not going over there.
Hey.
You're not gonna
Listen.
Doing this.
Listen.
somebody. No, because y'all not respecting what the I said.
Hey, listen to me.
No.
If you don't stop, we are going to hobble your feet.
No.
You understand that?
No. Tell them I want an MG right
So
now.
listen,
Because
you are going to see the nurse at the
I don't
jail.
want to see no nurse.
Okay?
I don't want to see no nurse.
The
at
nurse
jail.
has
You
more
cannot
training.
make me.
The nurse has
You
more
cannot
training
make me.
than a paramedic.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
I'm a licensed
It is a
medical
registered
assistant.
nurse. Then
I'm
you
a
should
li-
know
I
that a
don't wanna
registered
lay there.
nurse has more training.
It hurt. You got my whole back.
here.
You could have put the handcuffs in the front. What am I gonna do
that's
in the
it.
front? What I'm gonna do in the front?
Ma'am,
And
listen
then you
to
got
me.
my knees hurting
If
and
you
stuff.
don't stop, we are going to hobble your feet. That means that we are going to take this
you have
cord
got to
and
just
lock
go
your
with the
feet
flow
together.
now.
Go with
Okay?
what flow?
The jail is 10
Go with
minutes
what
away.
flow?
You can sit back here for
Because
10
y'all
minutes and
did
go to the
this.
jail.
Because y'all did this. And then you saying, oh, I resisted arrest.
Miss,
Why would you say that?
Miss-
Why would you say that? Why would you say that? You're
Again,
not gonna
Miss-
get I have
I'm not
two
getting you out
jobs
of jail.
tomorrow.
I'm not getting you
I
out
have
of jail.
2 jobs tomorrow.
Listen.
Why would you not do that? Why would you not do that? Please
All right.
don't push on me. You already pushed on me.
Are you
Hold
going to
on.
open that door so we can pull it around the frame?
Don't
Yeah.
touch me. I don't need y'all to don't do anything. I'm fine.
Are you
fine.
so
Leave me
are
alone.
you going to relax back here?
Just leave me alone. Leave me alone.
It's the safety.
Because I'm not going in there.
You want to? I mean, she's saying she's gonna relax.
I'm not going in there. Get these cuts from behind my back into the front. Because when you sling this car, you're slinging my wrist. And if my wrist get broken, it's on me.
Yeah, if she's saying she's gonna go, we don't gotta wrestle with her.
All right.
Wrestle
All right.
with her. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, you put the seatbelt on. If she took the seatbelt off,
Yep.
that's on her.
All right.
Call my family. Call my
All right, thank you.
Yep, no problem, buddy.
And where's my jacket?
Hang on.
in the end, she's charged with theft and resisting arrest. She's sentenced to diversion, a course in theft prevention,